Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creator Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. Here is our DIY for today. For this project, we will need a glass container like this, a broomstick, gold and white vinyl, some paint, a large ornament, and two smaller ones for Mickey's ears. This extra large ornament is from Hobby Lobby, but you can also get smaller ones from Dollar Tree, but this make a smaller Mickey's head that I will show you at the end. You can also make a clear or frosted lamp depending on how much light you want. The giant ornament has a matte finish, so to have a uniform piece, I will apply clear matte finish spray paint to these shiny ornaments from Dollar Tree. I will do this in my garage and let them dry. Next, using masking tape, I will create a rim inside the glass container and paint the bottom half red, as you can see here. I would like to thank all my subscribers for their support. You guys are awesome. If you are new, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now I will go to my garage and use my drill to make a quarter-sized hole in this lid, so I will be right back. I trimmed the broomstick to 18 inches long. You can make this as small or tall as you want. Because I don't have the right tools to create a perfect hole in the lid, I will use a wooden ring to cover any gaps. Next, I will remove the masking tape from the container and paint the other half black, giving it a total of 3 coats. Now I will head to my garage and paint the lid black, so I'll be right back. It is time to assemble these pieces using E6000 glue and let them dry for 24 hours. The next step is to cut a long piece of vinyl about 3/4 of an inch and tape it on the container with the black and red meat to cover the imperfections. I will use this white vinyl for the buttons. Since I don't have a Cricut, I will ask someone to cut them for me. For the extra large ornament, I will measure 6 inches from the base. I will follow the molding line as a reference and create a marking to cut it. I will use my hot knife to cut 2 holes to insert the ears. Please be careful when using tools like this. Also, don't put too much pressure on the ornament as it can be bent. Using a cutting knife, I will clean the edges and make the hole bigger as needed. The ornaments for the ears have thread, so I will screw them in as you can see here. The base of Mickey's head has a lip, so I will cut it off to fit it into the post. It is time to insert the lights through the post and into Mickey's head. I will secure the battery pack with a rubber band. For the lights, you can do 2 things. 1. Insert the lights directly into Mickey's head. The lights will be all over the place. Or 2. Make a cluster of lights like I am doing here to make the light more even. I will assemble the rest of the pieces and attach the white buttons on the front. If you are making this lamp using materials from Dollar Tree, the large ornament doesn't fit perfectly. To fix this, I will cut a small piece of sticky foam and place it around the post. Also, as an alternative for the lights, if you have lights like this, I recommend leaving the battery pack out so you can turn it on and off. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this Mickey Mouse lamp? Let me know in the comments below. Also, what would you have done differently? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. This will make a difference so I can continue bringing you great content like this. Take care and see you on the next one.